It begins with a whisper, dry brush crackling under a merciless sun, a flicker of orange, a tendril of smoke, then the roar. Flames climb the canyons, hungry, relentless, a crimson tide engulfing everything in its path. The air thick with smoke, a choking shroud. The sky, once blue, now a canvas of angry orange and red. This is the wrath of the wildfire.
Panic sets in. Sirens wail, a symphony of urgency. Families scramble, gathering precious belongings, memories clutch tight. The roads become arteries, clogged with the fleeing masses. Faces etched with fear, reflecting the inferno behind them. Homes abandoned, left to the mercy of the blaze. A mass exodus under a sky choked with ash.
Against the inferno, they stand. Brave men and women clad in yellow and black. Modern-day warriors facing a fiery dragon. Hoses spewing water, a futile attempt to tame the beast. Faces grimed with soot, eyes bloodshot from fatigue. They are the last line of defense, the guardians of the hills. Their courage and inspiration amidst the devastation.
It starts innocently enough, perhaps a discarded cigarette, a spark from a power line, the sun's rays magnified through broken glass. The tinder is always there, dry brush, parched grass, fuel for the beast. Add wind and the beast awakens. It races across the landscape, growing stronger with every tree consumed, a force of nature beautiful and terrifying.
From the ashes, stories emerge. Tales of neighbors helping neighbors, sharing food and shelter, volunteers working tirelessly, providing comfort and aid, donations pouring in from across the nation, a testament to human compassion. Through the smoke, the spirit of community shines, a beacon of hope amidst the devastation.
The city, usually a whirlwind of activity, slows to a somber crawl. Schools shuttered, businesses closed. The air, heavy with the smell of smoke, a constant reminder of the inferno raging on the outskirts. News reports dominate the airwaves, chronicling the fire's path, the homes lost, the lives forever changed. A collective anxiety grips the city, a shared vulnerability.
The fire eventually dies down, leaving behind a landscape scarred and blackened. Homes reduced to rubble, trees standing as skeletal sentinels. The smell of ash lingers, a haunting reminder of the inferno. But even in the ashes, life finds a way. Green shoots emerge, a testament to nature's resilience. The process of healing, though long and arduous, has begun. Rebuilding starts. Brick by brick, home by home. The community comes together stronger than ever. Volunteers and organizations work tirelessly, offering support and resources. The human spirit, tested by fire, emerges stronger, more resilient. From the ashes of tragedy rises a community reborn, a phoenix moment.
The wildfires are a stark reminder of nature's power and the unpredictability of life. They are a tragedy, but also a testament to the human spirit's ability to endure and rebuild. In the face of adversity, the people of Los Angeles have shown incredible resilience, compassion, and strength. They have faced the flames and emerged not unscathed, but unbroken. California strong.